Ever feel like your social media posts get ignored while your competitors' classes are completely full? Well, if you're a personal trainer struggling to keep clients engaged and coming back, you're not alone. So today, I'm going to show you how simple email marketing can transform your business, helping you fill your schedule and build lasting relationships. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, why does email marketing matter for personal trainers? Well, you've probably posted your latest workout video or client success story on Instagram or TikTok, but what happens if the algorithm decides not to show it? Well, as a personal trainer, your most valuable asset isn't just your workouts, it's your audience. And here's the hard truth. If all your clients and followers live on social media, you don't own the audience. One algorithm tweak and your reach can vanish overnight. I've seen it a lot. That's where email marketing comes in. It's personal, direct, and completely under your control. Unlike a social post that gets buried in someone's feed, an email lands straight into their inbox. No gatekeepers, no guesswork. Plus, email gets way more consistent engagement, so whether it's opens, clicks, or sales for your training programs, challenges, or merch. Now, if you want to consistently fill your calendar with clients, sell your digital products, or build long-term trust, email isn't just helpful, it's essential. And the best part, you don't need to be, super good with tech or really pushy to make it work. All you need are a few simple tools, so let's break those down. First things first, you need an email marketing platform. And I have tried a lot over the last decade. So, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Beehive, ActiveCampaign, you name it, I've tried it. But the one that I keep coming back to and recommending is Brevo. Why? It's clean, easy to use, affordable, and gives you everything that you need to grow and manage your list without the tech overwhelm. So whether you're offering, free downloads, promoting programs, or sending out weekly fitness tips, Brevo makes that simple. And I've got some good news for that. If you want to try it out absolutely for free, go ahead and click right up here or just check out the link in the description. And to help you out, I also created a full review/tutorial that I'll link to in the description as well to make using it as easy as possible. Now, if email marketing feels overwhelming and you're just not sure where to start, I've got something to make it easier. It's called the Personal Trainer Email Marketing Starter Kit. And you'll find the link to that in the description as well, or right up here. And inside you'll get templates, checklists, and everything you need to get started quickly without wasting time figuring it all out from scratch. And the last tool that you'll need is a sign-up form. So either put that on your website or a landing page, and you can link to that from your social media profiles or wherever else. The goal here is to make it easy for people to join your list. And the good news is that Brevo makes it easy to do this, as all those landing pages and all that stuff is built into the platform. Now, once you've got these three things, so a platform, a sign-up link, and a strong reason to join, you're officially in the game. But then you have to grow the list. So let's talk about that. So here's the simplest and most effective way to grow your email list as a personal trainer. Give something valuable away for free. Sounds crazy, I know, but it could be a workout plan, a grocery list, a training template, or 10 mistakes that most people make in the gym PDF. The key is offering something that solves a real problem for your ideal client and makes them think, wow, I really needed this. That's when the law of reciprocity kicks in. You give something first and people are happy to give you their email address in return. Now you want to set this up on a landing page or on a site if you already have it and drop that link in your bio, your link tree, your YouTube description, wherever your audience actually hangs out. You can even create a short form video about what they'll get when they sign up and include that link or a QR code at the end. Now, if you train clients in person, talk about your list like you would a new program. Say, hey, I've got a free home workout that you can download. Just go to this link right here. You can even print a QR code and display it in your gym or your studio. The goal here isn't to pitch, it's to invite people. Make it feel exclusive, like something that only insiders get access to. And once they're on your list, that real relationship building begins. So let's talk about what to actually send. So here's where most trainers mess up, right? They only send emails when they're selling something. And that is a really quick way to lose interest and subscribers. Instead, think about building trust and connection, not just transactions. So your emails don't need to be long or complicated. They just need to sound like you. So share your approach to training, a story about a client win, a simple tip that they can use today, or even something personal that shows that you're a real human, not just a fitness machine. Now, if you need some ideas, here's some really good ones. So a behind the scenes look at your workout routine, your actual personal workout routine. Early access to your next challenge or your boot camp. nutrition tips that you can actually use with clients, client shoutouts with permission, of course, a throwback to your own transformation story, short Q&As about common fitness myths, special offers on merch, sessions, or programs. You can also build mini series like a 3-part sequence. So how to finally build workout consistency, or what I wish every beginner knew about fitness before lifting. And yes, send out offers and promos, just mix them in with the human stuff. If your email reads like a direct message from a trainer, you're on the right track. So how often should you actually email your list? Well, the truth is there's no magic number, but here's the golden rule: be consistent and don't go silent. If you only email when you're launching something, people will forget who you are very quickly. That's when your open rates drop, or worse, people unsubscribe. Most personal trainers, they do well with 1 or 2 emails a month to start out. That's what I recommend. And if you have a big boot camp coming or something like that, well, ramp it up. But whatever rhythm you choose, just stick to it. Now, I recommend every 2 weeks at a minimum, enough to stay top of mind without burning out and annoying people. And don't worry about being perfect either. A simple, real message, it'll beat a fancy newsletter every time. So think of it like one more way to show up for your clients, just like a social post or a coaching check-in. And over time, that consistency will build trust. And trust is what will fill your client roster. Now, when it comes to emails, you don't need to be a pro copywriter to send great emails. Just know that. Really, you just need to follow a few simple principles. So first, subject lines matter. If your subject line doesn't spark curiosity or emotion, no one's going to be clicking. Just write it like a text to a friend, right? So something like, want a faster way to recover post-workout? Or I messed up this week. Here's what I learned. Or 3 foods that I tell all my clients to ditch. Second, you want to write like a human. So no corporate speak, no gym bro jargon. Just you talking directly to your reader. Use contractions, emojis, and keep it casual. Third, keep it short and skimmable. Break things up with spacing, bullets, and maybe a visual or 2, like a progress pic, a reel, or infographic. And always have one clear call to action. Don't ask to do 5 things, just one. Whether it's grabbing your new ebook, replying to a question, or booking a free consultation, make it very obvious in the email. So once you've got a few emails out there, how do you know if it's actually working? Well, you don't need to go full on, spreadsheet mode here, but here are some numbers to keep an eye on. First is open rate. So are people even reading your emails? You want to strive for about 20 to 30% with an open rate. Click-through rate. Are they engaging with your links, videos, or signups? Also, unsubscribes. Are you annoying people? Or are you just, cleaning out those who were never actually your ideal client anyway? Over time, these numbers, they show you what's actually working. Which subject lines will get opened, which content gets clicks, which tone gets replies. Use that data to refine your messaging, not stress about it. If engagement's growing over time, you're on the right track. All right, so now you've got everything that you need to turn email into one of your most powerful tools as a personal trainer, right? We've covered why email matters, how to get it set up, how to grow your list, what to send, and how to keep it all consistent and effective. But the biggest barrier is just getting started. So here's a challenge to you. So step 1, click right up here to sign up for Brevo. Step 2, create a landing page or put something on your website. And step 3, offer something valuable, like a free training guide or a macro cheat sheet. Then post that link anywhere your audience lives. So on social, in person, on your site, wherever. That one step could kickstart a list of potential clients who choose to hear from you, not just followers passing by. And if you want a proven roadmap to make all this easier, check out the DIY email marketing starter kit that I mentioned previously that's linked below, full of templates, scripts, and checklists to help you do all of this much, much easier. Because when you control your audience, you control your future. And that's the kind of power that every trainer should have. That said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.